Hey, it's Adam with the Productivity Academy, and today I want to share a tool that I was actually writing about in my newsletter. And what I like about this is its ability to facilitate better communication. So the way this comes about with this particular tool, just to let you know what it is, it's MarkUpHero, which I just came across this week. And it's basically a screenshot and annotation tool. So if you're interested in that, as far as communication goes, that's what I'm going to be talking about. But why you should be interested, or at least I think so, is really helping with a team or helping yourself communicate more clearly. And, the way for me that this relates back to productivity is in the time savings, because when you do a poor job communicating, right, it ends up just taking longer, whether you're trying to tell someone how to log into something, you're trying to correct something someone else did by annotating a screenshot. The more back and forth that takes, it can be frustrating, and just at the very least, it takes more time. So I like tools like this where it helps me communicate. I can write a blurb, I could record a Loom video, but sometimes I need to have something static or a review of something like that. So coming across this tool was great. I've previously used SnagIt by TechSmith, which is a great tool. But what I really liked about MarkUpHero was that they have the ability to have a desktop application, but they also have it browser-based through a Chrome extension. And it looks like they're really actively updating and working on this. So it has a couple of items that I'm looking forward that's on the roadmap, but right away you can upload images, you can use their Chrome app or a Chrome extension to take screenshots on the fly. You can upload and annotate PDFs. That's a big one I know for a lot of people, and is definitely something you generally don't see. And then they've got a whole lot more stuff like integrating with Slack, with Google Drive, so you can annotate Google Docs and spreadsheets and stuff like that. And something else that really caught my eye was any screenshots you have, they won't be flattened. And what they mean by that is you can go back and edit them, right? Because usually if you have a screenshot tool or an annotation tool, you do all your stuff and then it saves it as, maybe a JPEG or a PNG, but you can't go back and edit that again unless you just want to add stuff on top of it, but you can't go back and move what you added. That is not the case with this tool. So really cool. I thought it was pretty neat. So let me just show you an example. I've got this page here from Panda Copy, which was a web page I was checking out, and we can paste a link and go to work on that. So what it'll do is load it up, and then it's going to open up and we can do the annotation. So this is really neat, right? It's pulled everything in and it's got the entire page. So that's one way to do it. The other way would be coming over here. There's the little Chrome extension. You can either use the keyboard commands or you can just take a screenshot. And if you take the screenshot, what it does, let me see. Nope, it's not going to come over there. You just have to tell it. You'll get a little pop-up saying, what do you want to share, because it's asking to share. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can see the screen, and now it's going to pull it in. And this is just what was on the screen. So kind of two different ways to do that. And then you've got the standard things over here. You can add text. This is text or test or something else. We can add some arrows, change the colors of all of this. Basic shapes, line thickness. You could insert an image on top of this. You can crop it down, if you end up wanting to do something else with this. Apply that. And then this is great. So you can download, you could duplicate, or you can just share the link, which is really handy. So again, I like this. And the way I came across this was actually via AppSumo, which is great for a lifetime deal. And it came with team users. So if you get this through AppSumo, if it's down the road and you're looking for a tool to use with your team, I really like this, where you can invite people into your account based on whatever your account level dictates or how many people you can invite. But this is nice to have everyone on the same page using the same tool, right? It speeds it up, as well as the learning process. It speeds up, because if everyone's using this, you're going to get tips from someone who figured something else out, instead of like one person using MarkUpHero, someone else using SnagIt, someone else using LightShot, someone else using GreenShot, right? So if you have at least a little bit of similar tools and your kind of tool stack for your team, this can help with the communication as well. So just wanted to recommend it, really liking it so far. They've got a really cool roadmap of what they're going to be doing, and already seeing the value in this. So just wanted to recommend this. And, if it's not the tool for you, then, you know, just that idea, kind of taking this forward and saying, I could, and maybe not use MarkUpHero, but maybe I do want to use another tool and I'd like to standardize this across my team, finding out what that is, and, you know, giving them the resources they need to hit the ground running so everyone's kind of on the same page. So hopefully this is helpful for you. If you got any questions about MarkUpHero or kind of how to use tools like this, feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you.